Hey, I have been getting this question a lot lately. When is the best week to list your home? Hey there, Apryle Borst here with Arizona Best Real Estate. And the reason why this question comes up is because everyone wants to get it right. And I get that because timing can really make a difference. And right now I'm going to tell you this. Everything is pointing to mid-April as a really strong time for sellers. Now, based on recent data, homes listed during this time get 16% more views. So more buyers are actually seeing your home. They also tend to sell about 17% faster, which means less time on the market. And there's about 19% fewer homes that have to reduce their price, so sellers are holding their value better. And in some cases, well-prepared homes are even selling for more. But here is the part that I want you to keep in mind. There isn't just one perfect week, but there is a strategy. If your home is ready or almost ready, you want to be positioned while buyers are already active, not waiting and trying to time it perfectly. And if you need a little bit more time, that's okay too, because the spring market gives you a really strong opportunity to sell. And this is something else I really want you to think about, especially right now. How is your home being seen? What is your agent doing for you marketing-wise to get your home in front of buyers? Because in a market like this, that matters just as much as timing. So instead on focusing, when is the perfect week, I would focus on, what do I really need to do to be ready? And how do I position my home so it stands out? And that's where I can help. And we can walk through your home together. We'll talk through what actually matters, what buyers are really looking for, and where you'll get the best return that makes sense for you. So if you have any questions, or maybe you want to know next steps or would like to talk about listing your home, please feel free to reach out to me by phone, text, or email. You can also message me as well. No pressure, no confusion, just real answers. Again, I'm Apryle Borst with Arizona Best Real Estate, and I will talk with you soon. Thanks, bye.